The BI7 framework has 7 phases. I'm going to build it in front of you, one phase at a time. By the end, you will have a visual that you will carry in your head for the rest of your career. Phase 1, business requirement. Everything starts here, not with data, not with tools, with the business. What does the stakeholder need? What decision are they trying to make? What problem are they trying to solve? If you skip this phase, and most people do, you will build something technically perfect that nobody uses. पहले समझो कि problem क्या है, फिर solution बनाओ. Phase 2, data discovery. Now you know what the business needs. Next question, does the data to answer it even exist? This is where you go into the source system. You explore tables, you profile data quality, nulls, duplicates, orphan records, you figure out what's available, what's reliable and what's garbage. Most analysts skip this and go straight to building dashboards. Then they are shocked when the numbers are wrong. Data discovery में जो time लगाओगे वो बाद में 10x save होगा. Phase 3 is data preparation. You have found the data, now you need to move it, clean it, transform it. This is ETL, extract, transform, load, full loads, incremental loads, SCD patterns, slowly changing dimension. We'll learn about it later. You are building the pipeline that moves data from the messy source system to a clean, structured staging area. This is the plumbing, not glamorous, absolutely essential. Phase 4, data modeling. This is where the magic happens. You take the clean data and structure it into dimensional models, star schema, fact tables, dimension tables, grains, surrogate keys. This is the architecture that makes your report fast and your numbers consistent. This is the most fascinating aspect of data analysis, because if your model is wrong, everything downstream is wrong. Phase 5, reporting. Now you open Power BI, not before, not in phase 1, here in phase 5. You connect to the data mart you built in phase 4. You write DAX measures, you design visuals, you build a dashboard that's fast, accurate, and beautiful. See why this comes 5th and not 1st. Because by the time you get here, the data is clean, modeled, and trustworthy. The dashboard practically builds itself. Phase 6, insight delivery. Building the dashboard is not the finish line. Delivering the insight is. This is where you present to stakeholders, where you storyboard the narrative, where you make sure the CFO can look at your dashboard for 5 seconds and understand the answer. This is also where you handle UAT, your user acceptance testing. Do the numbers make sense to the business? Do they match what finance expects? Do people actually use it? This is the most important, one of the most important phases. Phase 7 is the requirement closure. You started with a business requirement in phase 1, now you close the loop. Did the dashboard actually solve the problem? Did the stakeholder get what they needed? It is a mix of your technical as well as your project managerial skills. If yes, document it, hand it over, set up, support. If no, loop back. What's missing? What needs to be changed? बहुत सारी BI teams phase 5 पे रुक जाती हैं. Dashboard बना दिया, काम खत्म. But real professionals close the loop. And there it is, the BI7 framework, 7 phases. Notice something important. It starts with the business and ends with the business. Phase 2 through 5, the technical phases are in the middle. They are the means, not the end. You are not learning random topics. You are executing a framework.